This is the station for the Kuranda Scenic Railway that we're about to go up on. There's two of our intrepid travelers, one of which he claims to be very camera shy. And wave, come on, wave, come on. So they're just going to look goofy on camera without me waving. Anyway, that's the railway station, and we're waiting for the train to come take us up, hour and a half up into the mountains.
Shot of the falls, and then the other tries to get a good stick in the sharpen.
Working our way up the mountains through the various gorges. Once again, we're stopped here at Barron Falls. And I'll try and scan these a little bit to give you history. Falls, it works its way down, pools of water, just kind of a spectacular little village here, and our train on the tracks. Just working on trying to get views of different parts of the falls. And here we're at the top of the railway station, on our way to